Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. So, this is going to be an episode of Burgh Unboxing, but I want to show you the nice, pretty blue sky. No rain, clouds in the sky, and a little bit of wind, but not bad. All right, now if I can do this one-handed, this is an episode of Burgh Unboxing with a little tiny bag. This comes from China, and it is really difficult to do this one-handed. So, and I mailed off the box of Legos to the person in Nevada. So, all right, this is an HDMI to, what the hell is this? Female HDMI to I adapter, or it's supposed to be, and it is. And this will enable me to connect my Mac Mini, my 2005 Mac Mini that works. It needs a new hard drive. Then next month I will have to order an audio cable, and I'm going to order a mini USB adapter, mini USB to a headphone adapter for the Echo Show. And I have paid down my Capital One bill to where it is almost current. One more payment, it will be current by June. It will be paid for, down to zero, and I can use that for my hotel room or to fly. I may add to it if they'll let me, and pay for both. So this will enable me to hook my Mac Mini up to my Sony Bravia television set. All right, headed to Starbucks. Fed talky and tiny, no orangey around, no gray. And so I'm glad to have sent off the Legos, and 20 bucks went into the emergency fund. It cost me a little more than I thought, $10.60 to mail off what I thought would be a $10 package. So £1.50 of Legos. I hope the person enjoys them. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, outside the Martinez Public Library. Have a great day and a great afternoon. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there, and have fun, people. Bye-bye for now.